This video will show you how to find articles by subject using Novanet, the library catalog. Go to the St. FX Library homepage. The Novanet search box is on the front page. You can search for articles by entering subject keywords into the search box and clicking search. I'm searching for funeral rituals in Buddhism. You will see a list of items which include those search terms. This list may include books, articles, DVDs, and more. You can use Novanet's limiters to limit the list to peer-reviewed or scholarly articles. If you are using a desktop or a laptop, you will see the limiters under the Refine Your Results option on the top left-hand side of the page. If you're using a mobile device, you may need to use the filter icon to see the limiters options. Choose peer-reviewed journals to limit your search results to articles from scholarly journals. When you find an article you're interested in, you may see several options. In this case, you can download the PDF immediately, browse the other articles published in the same journal, or follow the available online link to see the article in one of our databases. If you're off campus, you will be prompted to log in to authenticate yourself as a St. FX user. The login is your St. FX email address and password. If you have questions about finding articles, please contact the library via email at library@stfx.ca for assistance.